Are those long aching hours at your computer with chronic pain make you feel like there isn't a solution? Are the long hours at your desk causing you serious lower and upper back pain? Not to mention the stiffness at your neck. Then, introducing the Posture Back Corrector. The Posture Back Corrector fits comfortably with adjustable straps to fasten firmly to prevent an unhealthy poor posture. Imagine how much relief the Posture Back Supporter can do to make your life easier. Posture Back Corrector is designed to be sleek so that it fits under shirts or clothing, so you can be wearing it in public without people noticing. Pick up the Posture Back Corrector by visiting the link in the description of this video. Be assured that you will not go work with its 30-day money-back guarantee. Shipping is free. Expect delivery within 15 days.